Guys, Tallahassee issued a special marine warning. That's right there. And they issued a flood advisory. Since I was sleeping, I actually decided to leave this. And they have and they literally issued so many special weather statements, special marine warnings, and severe thunderstorm warnings. Just look how much there is. Look how many there is. Gosh, I've never seen a lot of this in my life. I don't even know what the special marine warning is. There's one that expires in 2 hours. Oh, it's this one. It's this one. Yes, this one. Dude, there's so much going on. Gosh. Oh my God. Dude, there's like so much going on. I don't know what is happening. Like so many storms.